guys, welcome back to sTutorials. Cape Tourism Unit 1. In today's episode, we're looking at past paper question for the exam year 2016, and we're focusing on question 4. Now, question 4 is taken from section 1 of the syllabus. It is worth 15 marks and it is an essay type question. Normally, a question 4 question will ask you to discuss at least 3 factors relating to a particular topic, where you'll get 5 points for each discussion that you develop. You identify your point, develop your discussion, you get 5 marks each, and that's how you get your 15 marks, right? Now let's look at this question 4. It says, discuss 3 factors that have led to the emergence of tourism in the Caribbean, and this is worth 15 marks. Now I know that you have looked at the emergence of tourism in the Dutch, French, Spanish, and English-speaking Caribbean, right? During class time, it's the same concept, right? So these factors are Thomas Cook's introduction of organized tours, improved transportation technology such as development of the jumbo jet, rails, and steamships, socio-economic improvements, which has to do with increased leisure time or vacation time, product development and innovation, changing customer needs and expectations, informational technology, legislative decisions. Now, let's take them step by step, looking at some key points that you could include under each of your factors, right? The first point that we'll look at is Thomas Cook's introduction of organized tours. In 1845, he organized his first railway excursion for profit, and the following year he would begin offering trips outside England to Scotland, a country that captivated Cook and would remain one of his favorite destinations. His trips kept getting bigger, and in 1851, Thomas got the chance to organize railway travel and travel accommodation for people from the provinces to travel to London to attend the great exhibition orchestrated by Prince Albert. You may wonder how it is that he got started out, right? No, it's simple as what we said before. So he began his international travel company by facilitating a series of successful one-day rail excursions in England. From these humble beginnings, Thomas Cook launched a new kind of company devoted to helping Britons see the world through packaged tours. This model, which included transportation, meals, and tours included in one cost, changed the concept of tourism globally. This led to the proliferation of the concept of mass tourism by offering greater convenience to travelers as well as value for money. So that's the first point, and that is Thomas Cook's introduction of organized tours that contributed to tourism activities in the Caribbean, right? Our next factor that we're looking at is improved transportation technology, and we're going to look at the development of the jumbo jets and rails, right? The breakthrough of the jet engine first started after the Second World War. It brought dramatic improvements. In the 1970s, the jet aircraft really started being able to carry more passengers and increase profit and made flights cheaper. Another point that you could look at is information technology. The introduction of the World Wide Web has meant that customers now have a wide access to information on destinations and other service products. Customers can now book directly, compare prices, and purchase a holiday in the comfort of their own home. This level of convenience and availability of travel services has led to an increase in international travel. Good. The next point that we're going to look at is socio-economic factor, and we're zooming in on increase in leisure time. People began to work specific hours per week and were allotted longer vacation times, more disposable income, and paid holidays. People now have more money to spend on holidays from two incomes in a family, and also people now enjoy pay vacation leave annually from work and use this on holiday, home, and abroad. Next point, product development and innovation. So we're speaking of long-haul destinations, right? These impacted upon Caribbean tourism as it allows travelers from far destinations such as the UK and Europe to be able to travel to the Caribbean. There's also package holidays. Package holidays have made a big improvement in Caribbean tourism business. Package holidays can include accommodation, transport, meal, and entertainment. Next point, changing customer needs and expectations. Now, people's needs and expectations were changing, and persons were seeking more different and exciting types of leisure and tourism experiences, right? And this is how it led to the emergence of tourism in the Caribbean. Good. Next point we're speaking of now is legislative. Now, in 1938, the United Kingdom government introduced the Holidays with Pay Act. This made it possible for tourists in this market to go on holidays and not worry about daily earnings. Other legislative changes were the deregulation of the airline industry, which allowed for regional and international airlines to crisscross the sky, carrying tourists to their preferred destination. Now, the word legislative there simply means having the power to make laws, right? So when government puts certain things into place, it influences international tourism, right? And that's it, guys. Good luck.
You are awesome. You've made it to the end of the session. Please remember to subscribe, turn on your post notification bells so you can be notified when there's another upload. Watch those ads, leave a like, a comment, and most importantly, share with persons who you know will find this information